Mata! So come out. Have your prezi. Okay, ready? Under the pillow.
Yes! Something! Why do they stick together?
You like him?
Yes! I love them.
Oh, good boy. You deserve him, darling. Okay, ready? Let's go. Social distance.
Social distance.
Social distance, darling.
Social distance.
Mata.
I'ma make you pop like that.
Kia ora everybody, my name is Māori.
Kia ora everybody, my name is Papa. I'm Matatini's dad, and welcome to New Zealand. Come back a bit, Baba. Who are you looking for? You looking for you? Okay, what's next? COVID-19 was a real experience for us, eh?
Yeah.
We were in the apartment for 32 days.
Okay, I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house bored and I'm bored and I'm okay in the house bored. Bored in the house.
But we sneaked 3 days where we went out of the apartment and we went down to the BMX track. And are you sure you want to do this one?
Yeah, I can.
It's concrete down the bottom though, darling.
I can do it.
Go on, go on, go on. Oh, good boy. Oh, here we go. Next one, oh, stretch, stretch. Oh, look, be careful if that's your safety barrier. He went all around the house and started jumping off this and making a mess and turned the house upside down. And then you started riding your little BMX bike in the apartment. Hey,
Yeah.
what were you trying to do?
I was trying to do a bunny hop.
Yeah, you started with a bunny hop, and then what did you do?
I tried to do a tail whip.
A tail whip, yeah. The tail whip has an outcome to it. I'll show you.
Oh, and you said one more.
Well, the obsession really started, I suppose, because we got him the game pipe. So I tried to monitor that he didn't play pipe too much, but like all young 5-year-olds, he didn't listen. And when did you start playing pipe? It was all during COVID, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Did you like the game?
I loved it.
You loved it. But he always went to BMX. And who did you watch when you were on YouTube watching BMX?
bmxcaiden.
bmxcaiden. bmxcaiden was my nightmare. Okay, come on. Let's put the scooter in the car, darling. Cool. Push right in. Good stuff. Okay, you've got your bike. All right, let's go.
Okay.
Gee, it was only about a year ago you were still in a baby seat, darling. Yeah?
But now I'm on this seat.
Yeah, now you're a big boy, aren't you? Yeah.
I'm 5. I'm on this seat.
Booster seat.
A booster seat.
Okay, so finally when it went down from lockdown 4 to 3, it meant that we had a life again. After 32 days, we'd only been out 3 times down to the park. All right, no more lockdown 4, we're on 3. Still seems very quiet though, doesn't it, Mata?
Yeah.
Yeah, your BMX bike is 18-inch.
It's 18-inch BMX, Mongoose Legion. Yeah.
So yeah, you've gone from baby bike to the 18-inch. It's a little bit too big for you, but
My bike is a mongoose.
Matatini finally has his new BMX bike. Here's the old one. Say bye-bye, little baby bike.
This is a mongoose BMX bike and I'm going to show you how to ride it.
Sun rays come down as seen when they hit the ground. Children spinning around till
And
they
pose.
fall down, down, down.
Caden can't drop on this. Too steep for him.
Oh, I'm pretty sure he could. Good boy. That's it. Come on, you're gonna fall off, so it's all wet. It's too wet. It's too wet. Come down. We'll do it another day, darling. Well done, Bubba. Okay, lift it up. Go. Careful.
Look my bike.
All right. Our favourite park in the world. And he's off. So Mata asked me to get a full face helmet. I didn't know what a full face helmet was. And then we looked at bmxcaiden, right? And what was he wearing?
Full face helmet.
Right. You sure it's not too tight?
It's not too tight.
Oh wow, look, it protects all in here, huh? And we try and be as safe as we can while you're learning how to ride your bike, eh, darling?
Yeah.
Don't go too fast. Oh!
I'm okay.
Are you okay? Yeah. Holy fuck, you did it!
What makes New Zealand special is
It's isolated, it's clean, and it's beautiful.
and it's quiet
It has lots of skate parks.
and it has a big huge sky tower. Papa, our journey is gonna be that we are going all of the bike tracks in New Zealand.
Yep, so that's going to be our special mission, our once in a lifetime journey, Mata and I, where we're going to go to all the skate parks in the North Island. BMX, scooter, and you're going to do skiing this year, aren't you?
Yeah. When I fell off, it was really sore and
We decided then that you would have a chest plate like bmxcaiden. Did you get the chest plate on all right, darling?
not really.
Okay. You have to adjust this far one, okay? So just leave it, I'll put it on later. Yeah. You know how to do your little drop in off the cliff.
Yeah.
You go when you're ready. Perfect. Mata. That was it. That was perfect. And then I remember you doing your first fall. And your ribs are still sore for that. And that's why we bought you your new rib protector. Let's have a look at it. Show me. Oh, cool. Good boy.
Papa, can I say whatever?
Okay, whatever.
Can I have a VR?
Yeah, but how much is it, darling?
$1,000.
$1,000.
Thank you for watching my video. Next week I'm going to be at the North Harbour BMX track. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Ka kite ake au no, that means I will see you again. Goodbye.
And to show how beautiful and unique New Zealand is.
And unique Zealanders.
That's not right. Okay, we gotta wave. Go wave. Yeah.